So, second video session, seventh formula, differentiate d by dx, differentiate of log x with respect to x. Log x differentiate is 1 by x. Log x differentiate is 1 by x. Very, very must. Log x differentiate is 1 by x. Now, eighth formula. This is one of the important formula. Now, I am going to move towards the trigonometry one. Differentiate of sin x with respect to x. Sin x differentiate is cos x. 9th one. D by dx. Sin x, after sin x, I am going to differentiate cos x. Cos x differentiate is minus sin x. Listen very carefully. Differentiate of sin x is cos x and cos x differentiate is minus sin x. Next. Differentiate of tan x. Differentiate of tan x is nothing but secant square x. Differentiate of tan x is nothing but secant square x. Next, the 11th formula. Differentiate of cot x. Differentiate of cot x nothing but minus cosecant square x. Minus cosecant square x. Next, 12th formula. Differentiate of secant x. Secant x tan x. Next, 13th formula. Differentiate of cosecant x. Differentiate of cosecant minus cosecant x cot x. So, these are the differentiate in, this is nothing but in log function. This is on trigonometric function. Sin x, cos x, tan x, cot x, secant x, cosecant x. So, differentiate of sin x is cos x, differentiate of cos x minus sin x, differentiate of tan x secant square x, differentiate of cot x minus cosecant square x, differentiate of secant x, differentiate of secant is secant x tan x, differentiate of cosecant x nothing but minus cosecant x cot x, minus cosecant cot. Very, 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 very important. So, these are the formulas. Now, I am going to create one new problem in this. Not a problem means you should not think the sum, not a sum. I am going to create one important thing here. So, what I am going to create, for examples only, these are examples only, not a formula. These are the formulas. I am going to write examples. Differentiate of sin x, we know it is a cos x. Differentiate of sin x is nothing but cos x. Now, I am going to start a new trouble here. Differentiate of sin square x. Sir, there is no square at all, sir. Differentiate of sin square x. So, there is no sin square x differentiate. I have teach you already. Differentiate of x power n. Listen students, very, very important. Differentiate of x power n is nothing but bring down the power and reduce the power by 1. Differentiate of x power 5. What do you do? Bring down the power and reduce the power by 1. Without using the formula, I tell you simply nx n minus 1. I am not using the formula. Bring down the power 5. Reduce the power by 1. 4 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. That's all. For differentiate of x power 7. Bring down the power and reduce the power 7x power 6. That's all simple. The same logic I want to use here also, but in the different way. How we are going to teach in 12th standard, the same method I am going to use in 11th standard also. But they are given different formulas for using this also. But I am not going to use different formulas. What I have teach you, what I am going to teach in 12th standard, the same methodology I am going to use in this also. Sin square x. This is a power. Bring down the power and reduce the power by 1. First bring down the power 2 sin x. Reduce the power by 1. That's all. That is 2 sin x. How easy it is. But I have differentiate only for power. What I done? Differentiate of sin square x. Bring down the power. 2 came out and reduce the power by 1. 2 sin x. That is nx n minus 1. N x n minus 1. 2 minus 1. I have differentiate only for power. Still I not done differentiate for sin x. This is must you need to know. This is very, very important. Still I not differentiate sin x. Sin x differentiate. What is sin x differentiate? Cos x. Still students, I am going to teach you one important thing. I have differentiated power 2 sin x. Still I not differentiate sin x. What is the differentiate of sin x? Cos x. I am going to differentiate x also. What is the differentiate of x is nothing but 1. This is must you need to know. Very, very helpful in 12th standard. Sir, sin x differential cos x. Sin x differential cos x. But I'm going to teach you an extra one. Sin x, sin differential is cos x. But x differentiate is 1. X differentiate is 1. This is must. If it doesn't know this, it will be very difficult for you. X differentiate is 1. Back to back. First power, next sine, next x. Like that. Back to back. I will give you a few more examples. D by dx. D by dx. Cos cube x. Listen very carefully. Cos cube x. First, what I want to differentiate? First, differentiate the power. Bring down the power. 3 cos square x. Bring down the power and reduce the power by 1. 3 cos square x. I have differentiate only for power. Bring down the power and reduce the power. 3 cos square x. After differentiating the power, next differentiate of cos. Cos differentiate is minus sin x. See, cos differentiate is minus sin x. Cos differentiate is minus sin x. Still I know differentiate for x. X differentiate is 1. Most of the teachers will not put this 1. They will face problem in the back to back sums. So only I am teaching you now itself. Most of the teachers will not put 1. They will not differentiate x itself. Cos x differentiates minus sin x over. But it will resembles backside of the problems. Backside of exercise or 12th standard. It's very difficult to understand. So only I am teaching you now itself. So only I am teaching you now itself. So differentiate x also. So I give you a few more examples. Differentiate of sin x plus cos x. This is different term. They are not both the terms. Differentiate of sin x cos x. Differentiate of sin x is nothing but cos x. Differentiate of sin is nothing but differentiate of sin x nothing but cos x. X differentiate is 1. We don't need to put, no problem. Plus cos x differentiate is minus sin x. We are differentiate cos differentiate is minus sin x. X differentiate 1, no problem. So nothing but cos x sin x nothing but cos x minus sin x. That's this answer. So I will give a few more examples. Differentiate of 2 sin cube x plus 5 cos power 6x. Listen very carefully. These are both the terms. So otherwise I will add one. I will change this question and put differentiate of d by dx 2 plus 3 sin square x plus I will put x also 2x plus 3 sin square x plus 5 cos power 7x plus 3. I need to differentiate this one. Not this is one term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term. You need to differentiate properly. First, 2 is a constant, put as it is. Differential of x with respect to x is nothing but 1. X differential is nothing but 1. So I told x differential always 1 plus 3 is a constant, put outside. First differentiate the power, bring down the power, 2 sin, reduce the power, that is 1x. 2 minus 1 is 1. I differentiate only for power, still sin remains. Differential of sin x is nothing but cos x. X differentiate is nothing but 1. This you want to do properly. First, this one 3 is a constant, right as it is. This is a same term, no, 3 as it is. Sin square x, bring down 2 outside, bring down the power, reduce the power by 1. 2 sin x, then sin x differentiate is cos x, x differentiate is 1 plus, right, 5 as it is. Right, 5 as it is, constant. Bring down the power, 7, reduce the power, 7 cos power 6x. I have done only for power. Next, differential of cos x is nothing but minus sin x. Differential of cos x is nothing but minus sin x. X differentiate is 1. Still there is another term. Plus, differentiate of a constant 3 is nothing but 0. Here it is multiplication, no problem. 2x1. This is multiplication, no problem. Multiplication, no problem. Constant in the multiplication is no problem. But 3 remains only single term. Differentiate of 3 is nothing but 0. This is the differentiate. So this you need to learn very carefully. There is no other way. You know d by dx. Differentiate of secant x. Differentiate of secant x is nothing but secant x tan x. Differentiate of secant x is nothing but secant x tan x. So suppose differentiate of secant square x. Bring down the power. First bring down 2 secant x 2 secant x power 1 or 2 secant x. Next, what is differential of secant x? Differential of secant x nothing but secant x tan x. X differentiate is 1. Like that only we need to do the differentiate. Very logically, if we are going to do this differentiate, there is no problem in this. Otherwise, it feels very difficult here. So students, learn properly these formulas. Otherwise, the sum will be very tough for you. Next, I am going to write the 14th formula. Differentiate of e power x. E power x with respect to x. Differentiate of e power x is nothing but e power x. So, how logically I am going to say? Differentiate of e power x is e power x. X differentiate is 1, but they will not put that. They will write e power x only. This is the main thing. Differentiate of e power x is e power x. Then differentiate of exponent. E power x is e power x. But x differentiate is 1. So, this is the formula. Listen carefully. Differentiate of e power 2x. Listen carefully, students. Differentiate of e power 2x. You know, e power x means e power x. E power 2x means e power 2x. But here differentiate of x is 1. If I am going to put 1, e power x into 1 is nothing but e power x. Here e power 2x, e power 2x. I am going to differentiate 2 power x. Differentiate of 2 power x. 2 I need to write as it is. X differentiate is 1. So 2 e power 2x is the answer. I know it is very difficult to understand for you. I know it's very difficult to understand for you. But this is a methodology, this is a method you need to proceed the differentiate like this only. I have taken plenty of time to make you to understand. So, while we are deriving the few sums, bring down the concept, then only you can able to understand. So, I am going to differentiate d by dx, differentiate e power 3x. You know, differentiate of e power x is e power x. E power 3x means e power 3x only. E power x is e power x. E power 3x, e power 3x. Here x differentiate is 1. Here 3x, 3 is a constant, right? As it is, x differentiate is 1. So 3 e power 3x. 3 e power 3x. Differentiate of e power minus x. So we have started here. Minus also. Because these are in the exercise in 10.2, they are given this formula. E power, these are the sums. But these sums I am doing in the example itself. D by dx e power minus x. You know, differentiate of e power x is e power x. Differentiate of e power minus x is e power minus x. Differentiate of e power x is e power x. E power minus x means e power minus x. But minus x differentiate. Minus you need to put. You need to multiply only. X differentiate is 1. Minus e power minus x. This is somewhat different. No, see. E power x means e power x. E power minus x means minus e power minus x. So another formula. D by dx e power minus 5x. E power x means e power x answer. E power minus 5x means e power minus 5x. Now differentiate this one. Minus 5x differentiate is minus 5. X differentiate is 1. You need to write as it is minus 5, x differentiate is 1. So minus 5 e power minus 5x. This is the answer. So we have finished this one. Next one important rule we need to go. We will go. After that only you can able to understand what I am going to do. So 15th formula. The formula is nothing but differentiate of sine inverse of x with respect to x. 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Next 16th formula. Differentiate of cos inverse of x divided by dx is nothing but minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. 17th formula. Differentiate of tan inverse of x divided by dx is nothing but 1 divided by 1 plus x square. 18th formula. Differentiate of cot inverse of x minus 1 by 1 plus x square minus 1 by 1 plus x square. 19th formula. Differentiate of secant inverse of x with respect to x. 1 divided by x divided by square root of 1 minus x square. 22 formula. Differentiate of cosecant inverse of x by dx is nothing but minus 1 divided by x square root of 1 minus x square. Next 21st formula. Differentiate of a power x. See, this is very different. A is a constant here. A power x. You need to write a power x into log a. This is a different formula. 5 power x. 5 power x means 5 power x into log 5. The same procedure. A power x nothing but a power x into log a. This formula is very different, no? So you need to learn these formulas. Very important formulas. So next I am going to teach you one formula which is going to be a product rule and dividend rule. This formula is must. Product rule and dividend rule.